In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create Trello tasks using AI so you can write better descriptions, save time, and stay productive without staring at a blank screen. If you use Trello for project management, team collaboration, or personal planning, this built-in AI writing assistant can dramatically speed up your workflow. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any tips. And if this tutorial helps you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and head to your homepage. From here, click on the board where you want to add a new task. This could be a content calendar, a client project board, a product roadmap, or even a personal to-do list. Once you're inside the correct board, choose the list where you want your new task to live. Next, click on Add a Card at the bottom of that list. This is where you create a new task in Trello. Go ahead and type in the name of your card. Keep it short and clear, something that quickly explains what the task is about. For example, you might write Contact Customers, write Blog Post, or Prepare Sales Report. Once you've typed the card name, press Enter or click Add Card. Now click on the card you just created to open it. This is where you can add more details, attachments, checklists, due dates, and most importantly, a full description. Inside the card, find the description section and click on Add a more detailed description. This is where the AI feature becomes incredibly useful. In the description box, look for the Writing Assistant option and click on it. Trello's AI Writing Assistant allows you to generate structured, clear, and professional task descriptions based on a simple prompt. This is perfect if you want to quickly outline steps, define deliverables, or create clear instructions for your team. Once the Writing Assistant opens, type your prompt into the text box. Be specific about what you want. For example, you might write, create a step-by-step plan for contacting existing customers about our new product launch, or generate a checklist for writing and publishing a blog post. The more context you provide, the better the AI output will be. After typing your prompt, let the AI generate the content. Review the suggestion carefully to make sure it matches your goals and tone. If you're happy with the result, click on Insert. This will automatically place the generated text into your card description. Before finalizing everything, take a moment to edit or refine the text if needed. You can adjust wording, add specific deadlines, tag teammates, or include links and resources. Once everything looks good, click Save to lock in your description. And that's it. You've successfully created a Trello task using AI. Instead of manually writing out every detail, you use the Writing Assistant to generate a structured, professional description in seconds. This not only saves time, but also improves clarity and consistency across your tasks and projects. Using AI inside Trello is especially powerful for teams. It helps standardize task descriptions, reduce misunderstandings, and ensure everyone knows exactly what needs to be done. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, development sprints, customer outreach, or daily admin work, this feature can significantly boost productivity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and AI productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.